Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, let's get right into it. Today we're going to revisit a favorite. This is Ellen Villa Relax, part of the Hair Power collection, and I am going to unbox this one and see how we like this color, Chocolate Rooted. I am wearing my Ellen Villa Elan, and this one's in Hot Flame Mix. I have reviewed Elan, and we're going to see how these are similar today. So I'm going to compare Elan with Relax, but I love Ellen Villa Relax. It's going to definitely make my top 10 this year. I have it in several colors, but like I said, I'm determined to show you brunettes this year. So I ordered it in this Chocolate Rooted, and we're going to see how we like it. I bought both of these wigs from Wig Studio One. Let's jump into it and check out this wig. It's available in 12 colors, and also what I like about this wig, it is also available in a large cap. So this is how it looks on the inside, how it comes packaged. Okay, Chocolate Rooted. Let's see how we like this color. Ellen Villa makes such beautiful colors, of course. I love their blondes. I obviously love the reds. And all right, so this one has a lace front. Looks like a temple to temple lace front. It's open wefted, of course. It has this little mono feature right at the crown. Closed ear tabs with stays, extended felt nape, and Velcro adjusters. So chocolate brown rooted. All right, wow, this is pretty. After I finish filming this video, I will put this on, take it outside, and do some outdoor footage, and I will insert that. So they describe this as a medium and dark brown, blended with light auburn and dark strawberry blonde with shaded roots. Now, in this studio lighting, I can't tell you I see a ton of highlights in this wig. There is some running through, but I'm not sure. I want to see it in outdoor lighting. I want to compare it. There is some highlighting in here, but I guess I thought there was going to be more just by the color description of light auburn and dark strawberry blonde, but not so sure I see all of that. I do see some strawberry blonde, some dark strawberry blonde, but I'm not quite sure. All right, let's try it on and see how it fits. I think Relax is just such a beautiful, beautiful wig. Okay. Like I said, has this temple to temple lace front, runs there to there. Let me zoom in a little and let you look at this lace front. All right, so giving you a look at this lace front, again, it runs from here to here. Really good, really nice job. Melts right into your skin with that lace front. Okay, the fit. This fits me perfectly. I don't have to do any type of adjustment. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. I'm going to spray it with a little water because that's just how I do it. And I'm just going to pull mine over just a little bit, just like that. Now, this, like I said, has that little mono feature right here, so it looks like that hair is coming right out of your scalp. I just think this is a beautiful wig. There's nothing I don't like about this wig. I just think it is a throw on and go, out of the box. That's why I keep ordering it in different colors. I like this Chocolate Rooted. What do you think? Have you tried this color from Ellen Villa? I'm curious to know if you've tried it. Now let's look at these highlights. I do see the highlighting. And now that I'm really looking at it in the studio lights, I'll be curious to see how it looks when I film it outdoor. I do see some strawberry running through there, that dark strawberry blonde. Just a little. It's not overdone with the highlighting. If you're not a fan of a big highlights, you might like this. They're not chunky or anything like that at all. Now the front of this is 4.5 inches. The crown also is 4.5. Sides 3.5. Has a 2.5 inch nape and it weighs 2.3 ounces. I like the nape. Fits real snug to your neck. It's not going anywhere at all. Okay, let's see how this compares to Ellen Villa Elan. One thing I want to make sure I mention is both of these wigs are heat-friendly fibers. So just to let you know that, and you can add some curl if you want. I'm not. I like it just like it is right out of the box. Okay, Ellen Villa Elan, it's part of the Changes collection. It's available in 11 shades. Again, they're both heat-friendly fibers. Now, let's take a quick look at the inside of the cap of Elan. It has a tiny little mono feature right in the crown too. Not as big as the one in Relax, just a little tiny piece. It has the mini lace front. Now, you know, I'm not a fan of the mini lace front. I never have been. It's not my favorite feature on Ellen Villa wigs. I feel like, I mean, this is so tiny, what's the point? But some people like it. That's great. I respect your opinion. For me, I don't feel like they just kind of lift. It's not my favorite feature, but this has that. Also, it has a closed ear tabs, open wefted. There is some permatease in here. And extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. So that's Elan. And we didn't talk about Relax. It also, y'all, now, for a person like me who loves permatease, I find it difficult sometimes to explain permatease because what might feel like a lot to me might feel like a huge amount to you. What I feel like, oh, this just has a little, you might say, wow, that's a lot. So it's hard to, as a wig reviewer, to explain how much permatease is in something. There is some at the nape of this Relax, of course, and there is some running through some. Not, and it really is not a huge amount. And I think you can see that on this wig, that this is not billowy big hair. This is pretty sleek. You can run some product through here and get lift on this if you want, but you're not going to get big hair here because there's not a ton of permatease in here. It's a light amount running through, I would say. Light, not even medium. I would say it's a light amount in my opinion. But again, I do feel a little bit at the very bottom at the nape of this. So just to let you know that. But this is just enough, I feel like, to give this a nice shape. Okay, let's talk about the specs. Now, talking about Relax, it has a 4.5 inch bang, as you can see. Elan has 3.5. So this is a little shorter. This Elan wig, they both have a crown of 4.5. Relax sides are 3.5. You see they're a little longer, where they're 1.25 on Elan. The nape here is 2.5 on Relax, and Elan has a shorter nape of 1.25. Now, Relax is 2.3 ounces, Elan is 2.2 ounces. So this is just shorter all the way around, except for the crown, they're the same. But the bangs and the sides and the nape are a little shorter on Elan than they are on the Relax wig. Both beautiful wigs, both out of the box, throw on and go. If you love short styles, you cannot go wrong with either one of these wigs. They're both heat friendly. It's just, you know, what style do you like? Do you like a little longer bang, or would you like something a little more, you know, a little shorter? So that's basically the difference. They both don't have a lot of permatease. They both, like I said, are throw on and goes, out of the box styles. I just don't see how you could go wrong with either one of these. Easy to style. I like one side behind my ears, and then I just like to wear one side down. I like how this is a little longer here. And I also like that Relax has a little bit longer nape. So if you have hair that grows down, you might like this one better because it has better coverage at the nape. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this revisiting of this beautiful wig Relax from Ellen Villa. Let me know about this color. What do you think about this beautiful brunette? I'm going to be showing you lots of brunettes this year. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.